my friends. I am back with another daily work from home job lead. I'm very excited to share this one because it is a entry-level position, does not require any experience whatsoever, and it is paying decent at $20 to $27 an hour. Let's get right into it. Just know if you're interested in applying, the link is in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, Rocket Money, I don't know if you've seen it advertised on YouTube. I've heard about it through some of the finance YouTubers that I do watch. But of course, Rocket Money is a financial institution running a finance website. They are hiring an operations associate for Cancellations. Now, they do have offices in San Francisco and Washington, D.C., but they are hiring remote throughout the United States. Their core mission is to help empower people to live their best financial lives, and they do offer members a unique understanding of their finances. They have a suite of different financial tools, and they are looking for two, not one, but they are hiring two people to be cancellation associates. They're looking for someone who shares support and service values, but the basis of the role is developing, maintaining, and executing processes that provide key services to users. So you'll prioritize multiple queues and manage daily workflows to ensure requests are resolved quickly and efficiently. You'll resolve unique situations and improve workflows to account for new or uncommon issues, and you'll ensure positive user experience by determining when additional information is needed and troubleshoot breakdowns in the process. Now, because they say you're going to monitor multiple queues, this sounds like a ticketing system, non-phone work from home position. Now, it does say this is an entry-level role. They highly encourage people who are new graduates or just starting out in their career to apply, so no experience is needed. They are looking for someone who can be detail-oriented, someone who is not scared, they say, to shift through large amounts of data, someone who can be a team player, someone who can be organized, and of course have computer skills because this is an online job. Now, they do pay, again, $20 to $27 an hour, and on top of that, they offer a standard benefit package that includes health, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. I do try to always keep an eye out for things I know people are looking for. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.